Employees can experience backlash from their employers if they make complaints about discrimination, harassment, or a violation of personal rights at work. Fortunately, the law protects all employees from retaliation in the workplace. Unlawful actions made by your employer as retaliation include discipline, salary reduction, negative evaluations, change in job description, firing, demotion, or change in shift assignment. If you've lost your job, a certain position, or a considerable amount of wages after engaging in legally protected activities at work, then Jackson White can help. Employers are in a position of power over their employees and may use that power to retaliate against those who report illegal or unsafe activities to authorities. These retaliatory actions may take the form of harassment, isolation, denying overtime opportunities, passing over individuals for promotion, or denying work opportunities or training they would normally receive. If evidence of retaliation is presented, the employer may be subject to fines and sometimes even jail time. Employers that have been named in a complaint that is covered by whistleblower protections must conduct themselves in a very discreet manner to avoid any appearance of retaliation. If you have made the decision to report wrongdoing by your employer, you should be ready to protect your rights against retaliation. Consulting with retaliation and whistleblowing attorneys in Mesa, Arizona will ensure that your rights under the law are protected. Your attorneys can monitor your employer's actions to make sure that you are not being punished for your actions in defense of the public good. Employers who are the subjects of a whistleblowing action may require advice to explain the requirements of the law protecting whistleblowers or may require legal counsel if they are accused of retaliating against an employee. Law regarding employment matters can be complex and confusing. If you are involved in a whistleblower case that puts you at risk for retaliation by your employer, contact retaliation and whistleblowing attorneys in Mesa, Arizona, to learn about your protections under the law. If it seems like a recent negative interaction with your employer was the result of retaliation and they're unwilling to negotiate a solution with you despite your claims, then you'll need to consider what evidence you have and hire a dedicated lawyer to fight on your behalf. The Labor and Employment Law Team at Jackson White encourages employees to affirm their employment rights. If you believe your rights have been violated, or if you think that your employer is retaliating against you because of your workplace complaints, speak with an attorney to get qualified legal assistance. Call our Employment Law Team at 480-485-4285 to discuss your case today.